We bought it 5 years ago. We knew we kind of wanted to retire here. We were lucky enough to be able to move here a little younger than we were expecting. We loved the piece of property and the view that we have, but it needed a lot of work, especially the shoreline, the dock and everything. And so we decided, you know, while the lake was drawn down, to do as much as we could and really build something that was going to last longer than we did. We looked at a lot of different products, but what we really wanted was something that looked natural, looked like it came from this area, but we also wanted it to be man-made really to really stop erosion and again last.
For this project, I was here from inception, original consultation with the homeowner, with the contractor. The existing here was a failing shoreline application out of boulder walls, a deck that was in despair, that the homeowner wanted to transform this, take the opportunity of this lake being drained for the first time in a quarter century to get in here and redo that space. For this project, the homeowner wanted to go with the more rustic look of the outcropping, which I think fits very well. Initial layout was done, but as things happen on projects of this scale, when you have about 200 linear feet of wall here, a deck and a boat dock, we changed it on the fly. So we added this 12-foot wide dimensional, 6-foot dimensional staircase. We like the known integrity of our concrete mix. Natural stone's beautiful. It varies in colors and I would say gradation, right? One thing that we fearful of, maybe even a sandstone or a limestone, having maybe inconsistencies in veining or inconsistencies in block-to-block contact. When we think about this staircase that's going to be submerged in water, it's just a retaining wall in the form of steps.
Yeah.
So we like that consistency of that consistent height, that consistent mass weight of that step. We have an aggressive setback in this staircase that is a wall, but an advantage for us is, again, that block-to-block contact and the integrity of the concrete.